Hi, hello, good morning. How are you doing? Um, let's um, let's see what's going on with the DAX today quickly because opening is in 12 minutes. Yesterday we had quite a big update. It just went straight up eventually. We have a lag here, 457. Of course, this is the daily. We have a lag here going up 457 points. We went down about 50%, a little bit more, and then we went up even more points. So I mean, we're not completely free to go up to new highs here. I mean, there's going to be some resistance here, but for now, yeah, it's just clear that the trend is up. So let's see where we are today. It's been going down. We opened above the pivot. The pivot is the high plus the low plus the close divided by 3, which is like an important average. A lot of people look at it during the open. Generally, if we open above the pivot and below R1, this is R1, resistance 1, we have a limited upside potential. That means if we spike up here, often we don't continue like crazy just because of this area here. Of course, we also have this area. So that means that for the opening, I'm looking at the downside. At this moment, this level was not reached. 15,500, it was broken. So that's important. If you look at the lag size, then 15 went up 57 points, and now we went down 50 points. So actually a little bit more. Let me see. 54 points. So at the opening, if we just go a little bit lower, if we just go here, then the lag down is bigger, and that means that we make a bigger lag and we could go down further. Obviously, the pivot here is an important point where people could start to buy. The thing is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars in a row going down. They're all going down, so and also right now for the day we are down 0.2%. We moved 27% of a normal day. That's decent. I don't know if we are going to make a high today. Maybe we've seen the high already. I don't know. We may. I'm actually biased somewhat to the downside for the open. Levels to watch, obviously, 15,500. Well, that's kind of done for now. We broke it to the upside, we broke it to the downside, so we don't have to watch that very closely. But this level is important, and obviously the pivot is important. I think we're going to challenge it, and see 5,400. This pivot is S1 is important, support 1. So these are the levels we watch, but in order to look at the upside, we have to break this level, and then this one. Today we have at 2:30 Central European Time. That's 1 hour before the physical opening. We have retail sales reports. Okay, always a good moment to enter the market. Of course, we don't do it before the news. I'm always flat when the news comes out. But during the news, right after 5 or 10 minutes after, it often gives us a good opportunity to enter. And then today, well, at 4, preliminary consumer sentiment. This is not high impact news. The big thing are the retail sales. It's going to confirm, people, despite the inflation, so going to keep on buying. Well, based on what I see, we go 51 down, we go again 51 down, but 57 up. That was a while ago. I am biased somewhat to the downside. Don't know if we go straight down. I don't know. I may enter a position. We go straight down, and then of course I would require to continue to go down. We spike up, then could go anywhere here. We'll see about that. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You will get a notification when I'm online, and if there are any questions, of course you feel free to comment below, and I will answer your question live